This is the initial test firing of the Nerf Rhino dual SMP airsoft gun. This is a heavily customized Nerf Rhino with dual magazines. Each one's holding about 4,000 BBs on each side, and it has dual fire select here between safe, semi, and auto on each side. There's also an additional switch that on the side here, down here, that turns on and off the reciprocating barrels. And it uses extensive 3D printing here for the barrel mount and the hop-up system. There'll be pictures on my website showing how the internals are put together here. I'll show how the hop-up and the box mags are adjusted on this gun. You just pull this back, and you can access the hop-ups through these two set screws right up here at the top with a 2mm hex key. Clockwise will increase the hop, and counterclockwise will decrease the hop on each side. There's also an alignment hole. If you insert a 2.5 hex key in here, there's a little bolt that actually ties the back of the two engines together. And you can adjust this clockwise or counterclockwise to change the angle of the inner barrels so that they can either converge at a distance or stay parallel at distance. So there's a little screw right here that adjusts that. To handle the box mags, you just release it by the button here on the side, and they pull right out. And you just detach the wiring right here. There's of course BBs still in the feed spring. But to assemble it again, you actually just have to reattach the feed motor, push that into the side here, and then just slide it right in. And the feed spring goes right into the hop-up block, and it's captured, so you don't have to worry about any alignment. But this is the test firing of the Nerf Rhino. Let's see, both sides are on safe, and in this mode, when you pull the trigger, you can actually again turn that off, and you'll see that it's winding the box mags, but the barrels are not reciprocating. I'll go ahead and turn that back on again. Alright, you can have each barrel run on semi or full auto on each side. I have 120 psi feeding both SMPs at the moment, hooked up to my shop compressor. So I'll fire one on semi-auto. You can see this is very loud. And then I can fire both. And then I can really get crazy and turn them to full auto and have them fire at the same time. And you can turn off the reciprocating barrels. And it's incredibly loud. There you have it, the firing of the Nerf Rhino dual SMP airsoft gun.